Happy holidays! Yes, it's the middle of the day. Yes, I am wearing a gown. No, I haven't done my nails. Yes, I'm wearing volume to cover the COVID-19 weight gain. But guess what? It's 2020, so anything goes. I'm all dressed up with absolutely nowhere to go, but I did decorate a little for the holidays, and I want to invite you in. You may remember last year's holiday decorations, and if you don't, please feel free to go look at that video from last year, but it was a bit of a debacle. I mean, it looked amazing, but I decided to do Nightmare Before Christmas and have the holiday decorations go from October all the way through December, which I thought was like the greatest idea, and my kids really didn't love when it was Christmas time that it still felt very Halloween-y in the house, so this year I decided to just do full holiday glam. Even though no one's coming over this year, we're not having parties, the holidays definitely look a little bit different, I still wanted to decorate. So Nicole, who I've worked with for years, we sat down and we talked and I said, I want the house to feel like, sort of like how they decorated a department store, just really beautiful. And what she came up with and created here is nothing short of a work of art. So we have all of our beautiful bird cages and crystals and birds, which yes, we've repurposed over the years, which I like doing, but it's really this bow that is the star. I mean, the bow is unbelievable just in its scale, but when you look at the details, you have to see that this is all absolutely handmade. All of the silk, all of the trim, everything, even this wire ribbon was all made and jeweled by hand. I have no idea what I'm going to do with this when the holidays are over because it's so spectacular. I mean, where can we put it? If you have any ideas, let me know. I just think it's so exquisite. Maybe I'll never take it down. The way this bow is hung is just incredible, but what's so funny is from upstairs on the back side of it, you could see sort of the underbelly, the inner workings, the wires and how it's hung. And I kept thinking, should I put something in front of that? Should I say something? And literally as the thought bubble was still in my brain, Nicole came and did this. She added all these gorgeous presents to cover it all up. Oh my God, I love her. Ah, the great room. Doesn't it look great? Okay, so we did the trees to match the entryway, and of course this little setup too. Again, everything hand done, hand jeweled. Have our stockings all hung with our initials. You know I do that weird thing where I always put everything in age order. I don't know why, but there you go. So there's Terry and Heather, Nikki and Max, and Kat and Coco, and then our two new dogs, George and Roxy. I wasn't really sure who was older, so I had to take a little guess there. I just love the way this feels. It just feels so elegant, and even though it's sort of simple, the details of it, I hope this translates to the video because the details of this are just so spectacular and it's just beautiful, elegant Christmas. Every year in this area, we always set up treats and crafts. And the crafts have ranged from ugly Christmas sweater decorating to gingerbread houses, and it's kind of evolved as the kids get older. Well, Katerina loves to bake, as many of you know, and Coco really likes it too. Plus, I can still get Max and Nikki to participate sometimes, so I wanted to create things that I think that they would absolutely do. Not only that, I wanted to continue with our theme of this department store. So the way we've designed this is a mix of Sugar Fina and the famous French bakery La Durée, and created the Dubrow Sugar Shop. So as you look along here, you'll see our custom Ds with our sugar shop. Of course, there always has to be Oreos in every scenario, because you know I love an Oreo. By the way, you know you could do them custom now? All of our beautiful little things, and then here are the crafts. So if you come to the end here, you'll see, for example, here's the cookie truffles and how to make them, and all the ingredients are here on the table that we need, plus gift bags, so if they want to give the treats to their friends, they can. I think what's so fun about this area is that not only does it look beautiful, I mean, it's an amazing display of sweets and the colors and the sparkles, but it's actually functional, and we're gonna be doing lots of fun holiday craft making and treats. So this is the family tree. You can see we have not decorated it yet, but this is one of my favorite traditions that we do, is that every year the 6 of us get together and we decorate the whole thing, and there's some ornaments that each of the kids have picked out, some we've collected over the years. Usually every year we go to Rogers Gardens and we pick out one special ornament. We have not done that yet this year. I'm hoping they're open so we can go do that. But there was one special thing. Oh, this is so cute. Let me show you this. So out of all the fancy ornaments we buy every year, these are actually my favorite. These are the ones that the kids have made over the years or we've collected from different places. Like, remember last year I took the kids to France and we put a lock on the bridge? I had 2 of them made so we could hang one on the tree, so we always remember that. Then there were the twins getting their driver's licenses, but this is my new favorite one of the year. Idaho! This is for our house we're building in Idaho, and the kids don't know I bought this ornament, so that'll be fun. What's really cool about all of these memories is that as you hang them, you talk about them. Oh my gosh, remember this? Oh my gosh, remember that? Remember this trip? Remember that person? Remember this class? Remember when I was in 3rd grade? It's really cute. So decorating this tree is really like a living scrapbook, and I absolutely love it. Advent calendars. Okay, there's all different shapes, there's all different sizes, but last year Coco got a really cool birthday present. She got this punch box, and it reminded me of one of those old games on The Price is Right where you punch through and there was a prize inside, and I loved it. So I came up with this idea for this year to do a punch box Advent calendar. And so that's what we created here in the shape of kind of a tree. They're all numbered, and every night, you can see we're already on night 9. Every night the kids punch the punch box, they take turns, and they see what treat is inside. So like for example, last night was jelly beans. Apparently none of the kids like jelly beans. This was not a winner night, but all I can say is it's so fun. The kids have had the best time doing this, and it's just like this after dinner fun thing, like, hey, let's do the punch box. It's really, really cool. And I don't know, it's just been a pretty epic thing. So here's what it looked like before. And now you can see we're sort of in the middle of punching, and it's just been a really fun thing. Ready, Coco? Go, punch, number. No, you don't take it. You just punch it there. Punch it, yeah. Yeah!
Please be edible.
Oh, it's an elf.
Turn it over, let's see.
It's an elf game. Oh.
Yeah! Every year I try to do something a little bit different, a little bit new. Some things are a win, some things are a fail. This has been such a win that I think I'm gonna keep the punch box tradition, because I gotta tell you, I don't care how old you are, it's fun. As beautiful as everything looks during the day, at night, it's spectacular. I love our YouTube community. Happy holidays to everyone. Please stay safe, stay home, be well. We'll see you in 21.